Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I come up with a video how to take the measurements from the old blouse. Always try to take the measurements on person, not from the old blouse. Why? Because it may have some defects while you are making new blouse. Like the blouse might be old and the measure of old blouse may not be exact to the present person's measurements, body measurements. The old blouse may be some others, and the cloth material of the old blouse and the new one may be different in qualities, so there will be definitely measurement defects will come out. The exact difference between the chest and the waist measurements may not be known, because sometimes the old blouses will not show the stitches properly, which makes it difficult to judge the width of the tucks. And also the new blouse may have the same features as the old, so that chances of showing will defect. These are mainly we can face the problems, but we should know how to measure the old blouse also, so that's why I am giving you here. Whenever you are taking the measurements of the old blouse, first you look for the length of the blouse. That length has to be taken from the back side. The measurement from the neck point to the bottom line must be taken as a length. You try to stretch the blouse very slightly. Do not stretch very much. And then take the shoulders for close neck only. We can take the shoulders. The blouse be kept on the ground, and the measurement of back should be shoulder from one corner to another corner. You have to take from left to right, how I am showing in the video. After that you need to take the chest measurements. Open the blouse which we are unfolding. And completely open the hooks and all. First hook towards the left armpit corner, going on the back from left to right armhole corner, and further from there on the front of the corresponding loop, thus taking a complete circle, however keeping the cloth stretching, how I am showing you in this video. Keep it an eye. Next, take the waist. This waist arm measurement of full waist leaving the extended loop putty. Now take the sleeve length. In case if it is a plain sleeves, then the length to be taken as per the given blouse from shoulder to down. And now take the sleeves round. Total round at the bottom of the sleeve should be measured. Now take the front neck, keep the blouse on the ground. Now measure tightly the cross neckline from the neck point to the first hook button when closed. Now the major one was tuck point. Keep the blouse stretched from neck point to tuck point and measure the length of the tucks so that the chest will show you properly. Blouse will come up with good outfit. That's it guys. This is only the measurements you need to take, and extra pieces for waist round and neck linings you have to take care. For hooks and all, you need to take the extra pieces. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to share this video on your communities and all. I also request you to please subscribe. Thanks for watching.